All right, here we have a system that was designed for a lending company. We can fill out gross sales at the top right here and get a visual of how sales look like over here. Let's put in some numbers. Let's say this month was like that. This one is this. You can see that Excel builds out the visual for us. Let's say sales look that way. You can see we can find out trends or to see the strong months, bad months, stuff like that. Now here at the bottom, we're gonna have the deal terms. We can put in the principal, we get the rate, the principal plus interest, number of weeks, let's set it at 144. And we get daily payments, weekly payments, number of months, and the monthly payment. Let's say we're given 100,000. And the weekly payment, let's set it at 900. So Excel gives us everything. We got the rate, principal plus interest, and the monthly payment. If we need to calculate anything, we can bring in a calculator, as you can see, and send the results from our calculations to a designated place. Let's say we need 85 times 380, and we want to calculate it here, the deduction. We just click on here, and it calculates it for us. Now, what if we don't like the rate, or the client doesn't like the rate? We need to give him a better deal. And we want to change our weekly payment or adjust the numbers to suit us better. We can use the goal seek right here, we call it. And let's say the desired rate would be 1.18. Click on it, and we get the numbers as we want them. Now let's say we got the deal done, we lock the numbers with the client, everybody's happy. All we got left is fill out the contract. What we don't want to do is fill out the contract manually. So glean all the numbers from here, get all the information from the client from another source, and give it to our executive assistant or anybody else in the office and have them fill it out manually, or go to like a software like DocuSign or any kind of software that helps you with that. We want to do everything right here and right now. For that, we can bring in a contract right over here. It's a blank contract. As you see, the numbers are already in it. Now, this contract is just for example. It could be 100 pages of contract over here. It could be whatever you feel it to be, whatever document that you need filled out automatically. We can custom build anything and tailor it to suit your needs. So let's say the client is already an existing client and we want to fill out the document with his information. All we have to do is click autofill and search our client. These are the fields that are going to be filled out. You can see we got the owner name, the business name, social, driver's license, home address, business address, cell phone numbers, and the terms over here. Let's bring our client list of clients over here. Let's say client number 8. We got all these numbers and everything. All we have to do is click fill out document, and it fills it out completely. Now let's say we don't have the client credentials or his addresses and stuff like that. We need to enter them manually somehow. We can clear this one out and click autofill again. And now we want to fill out a new client. So let's name him new client, and the business will be new client business Inc. And the social can be different, and driver's license will be different. Let's leave the home address as is, business address, and the phone numbers. All we have to do to fill it out is click new. and enter the client name. Let's call him new client. Click OK, and it's filled out. Now you ask yourself, where is the information coming from? It's coming from a database over here. All the clients that we enter go here, they stay here, and then we can just bring them and send them whatever we want on Excel, even if it's a different workbook, anywhere else, even a website that we need to upload it to. And as you can see, the new client is right here. And if you want to create a PDF of the contract or any other extension, you can just click print PDF, and Excel generated for us a PDF of the contract right here. And that's pretty much sums it. Thank you for watching.